Today we've got a Honda Odyssey backed into something. The customer is not looking for a perfect repair here. They're looking to have the big smash through here, down in here, and over in here, improved. So we're gonna use the GPR process to move the bulk of this damage out. Looking at it, I think we're probably gonna use the K-bar a lot. Definitely some centipede tabs right on these body lines, along this long run here and over here. Set the camera up and shoot some time-lapse footage for you, and I'll come back and sort of explain the process and how we're doing it. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're getting ready to repair this Odyssey. Again, we're not going for a perfect paintless repair. We're going for a GPR, a glue pull repair, just to make the majority of this damage out. The tools I'm going to use today are the Viper tabs, so that's the articulating modular tabs. I'm going to use that to come around these two body lines, and I'm also going to use a flexible centipede to start to come right across the middle here. Because this is going to be a slightly longer repair, I'm not going for quick moves. We're going with the Cam Auto glue today. I've already prepped the panel. It's super clean. And I've set my Vipers to match the shape of the body lines. So I'm holding pressure in to allow the tab to flex in and grab the body line. That's also a reason why I decided to go with the Viper tab instead of a rigid tab. While this is setting up, while I'm holding pressure here, I'm going to be taking the blending head and working this crown down to bring this metal over. I think we're going to see a pretty rapid change in this panel. Again, with the centipede tab, I want to go straight across this body line here. Same idea here. This is flexible, this is even more flexible. So I'm able to push it in and get it onto the body line and get a good, consistent adhesion all the way across. Over here, I've already got my tabs dialed in to match up to the body line around that curve. Also applying pressure here to get this down into the body line. Going with the K-bar, I want to hold a pretty steady pull here with one hand. We got the middle-sized adapter that I'm going to leverage off of up here. This adapter is going to let me grab 3 of the tabs at the same time. So I'm going to go slow. And actually watching this crown is what I'm paying the most attention to, and it's walking over really nice. So you can see the majority of that has released. Now I'm going to continue to hold pressure and come in with the blending head and slow and steady is the way to go. So pushing the crown in a little bit below this dent with the foot of the K-bar and making some pulls. So you can see with 3 accurately placed pulls, we've already moved a ton of metal out. So I'm going to pause the video, get these tabs cleaned off, and bring the camera back, and I'll show you exactly where we're sitting. All right, so we're through round 1 of pulling, round 1 of tapping. I've got this labeled out, sort of how I'm gonna break the rest of this repair up. Really minor repair right there. Another softer low, that's a remnant here. The crown is laying down pretty good. It will come all the way down once we bring these up. Coming across the middle, concentrate on these 2 separate lows. For this repair, I'm happy with where the body line's back to. another micro, or not micro, smaller low here, and some wavy lows across the bottom. Onto this side, secondary impact up here. We're gonna treat this as a dent. I'm gonna do what I can here. I may end up actually sticking some of my PDR tools in just for repair's sake. And then we've got another remnant of a low here. So we'll be back to show you our progress. All right, so we are back. This is what we're gonna deliver back to the customer. He only wanted to spend about a quarter of what a full repair would be. So we're happy to work with him inside of there. His goal was to have not a caved in tailgate. And I'd say that was a success. And I hope you got to see some of the capabilities of glue pulling. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. If we can help you out with a dent or a ding, give us a call or visit us at dentrepairnow.com.